Sece is a student employment website that lists job openings on and off campus. This is a very useful resource available to you as a UH student. To start a job search, click on this link. Log in with your UH username and password and complete the student registration. On the Home tab, you can check to see which job programs you are currently eligible for. Use the pull-down menus to narrow your job search. This will help you find potential jobs most suitable to your skills and your interests. View the display of matching results and then press on the job title to see the detailed job listing. Details will give you the program, pay, category, location, and date available to start. Sece will also let you know which skills you have that fit the job listing. If you are eligible for employment, you may begin to add jobs to your job cart. You can apply to up to 5 positions per day to each program that you want to pursue. To apply for a position, press the Apply Now button. If the job allows you to apply online, you will be given the option to upload your documents for the employer to review. If the job does not allow online applications, you will be shown the contact information for the employer and the details of how to apply. We hope that you found this video helpful. For more detailed information about the Manoa Career Center services and programs, visit our homepage at manoa.hawaii.edu/careercenter.